Welcome back to Explore Air. In this video, we will talk about how to fix brightness not working in Windows 11. Method 1. Basic tests. First, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. If you are using a laptop, then press and hold the FN key and press the brightness key. There is a chance that low power supply might be causing the issue. Plug in the charger, as some power modes limit brightness adjustments. Method 2. Device Manager. Right-click on Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Monitors. Right-click on your generic PNP monitor, select Disable, and click on Yes. Then again, right-click on generic PNP monitor and select Enable. Now expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics adapter and do the same. Disable it and then enable it. Method 3. Update or reinstall graphics drivers. Right-click on Windows icon and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics adapter and click on Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for drivers. If that does not help, again, right-click on your graphics adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the drivers automatically. Method 4. Repair system files. Click on Search and type CMD. Select Run as Administrator and click on Yes. Type the commands one by one and press Enter. I have added both commands in the description so you can copy and paste them from there. So that is how you can fix brightness not working in Windows 11. See you in the next video.